have less than 4 months left before the end of 2021, and we get ready to hit an anniversary of COVID-19. It's about to be 2 years. Why? Y'all already know what time it is. I got the black V-neck on. Girl, what is going on? We have got to talk about COVID-19. Let me tell y'all something. I am tired. I'm tired. I thought by now, honestly, that we would be somewhere like chilling with no mask on. Okay, like y'all be saying chilling with no makeup on, chilling with no mask on, because I thought that we was gonna all work together and we was gonna do the things that we need to do to combat COVID. But I should have known that the United States of America has a failed healthcare system that is literally failing black and brown folks. As I watched the news earlier today, black and brown folks are disproportionately affected by COVID-19. Black and brown folks are 2 times more likely to be admitted to the hospital, have to go to the hospital because of COVID. And I don't know the other statistics, but more than likely than their white counterparts pass away from COVID-19. So this is not a PSA to tell folks, girl, go get the shot, go get vaccinated, because the government ain't gave me no check to tell y'all that. But this is me caring. I care about black and brown folks. Y'all know I talk about all the issues that affect people who look like me, but I think it's time for us really to take COVID serious. It's really been time, but now I'm seeing that, you know, there's an uptick of a lot of children now contracting COVID. We still don't know the long-term effects of COVID. We don't know. We're learning each day, each month, we're learning from it. But we have been seeing one thing, and one thing has been clear, is that vaccinating us ourselves has been protecting us from COVID-19. Don't listen to Nicki Minaj and her cousin, because she don't know what she's talking about. But listen to these folks that are out here doing the work. Yes, I understand black folks be like, I don't trust the federal government. I don't trust all this because y'all been doing all type of shady stuff. I definitely get it. Definitely get it. And I was a little bit hesitant too. I was like, girl, look, what's the tea? But the one thing about me, girl, as a person who's living with HIV, as a person who is HIV positive, I can't play with my T cells because she didn't come to play, okay? I don't want to play with Miss COVID. I don't want to play with her. She want to play with me, but I'm like, girl, I don't want to meet you outside at 2:30. I don't want to meet you outside at all, girl. If I meet you outside, I'm meeting you with a mask, and you ain't going to be able to see me because I'm going to slip right past your ass, okay? Because I got Miss Vaccine. Now, this is not a PSA, like I said, to encourage you, but it's a PSA to kind of bring awareness and have a conversation. And I want you all, if you haven't, you know, thought about it, and you're like, girl, I don't know, now is the time, girl. We are getting ready to approach the wintertime, and stuff is about to be very, very serious. Things are about to be very, very serious. And I want black folks to be protected. Like watching the news, like we are disproportionately affected by COVID-19 because a lot of us are working jobs where we are around a lot of people. We are working the jobs at the grocery store, delivering mail, working at UPS, FedEx, Amazon, doing all these jobs. A lot of folks can't afford to work. They don't have jobs that work from home. So they can't distance themselves. People are like meeting other folks. So y'all, we got to like do better. We have to. And I'm not saying that we haven't. And I'm not saying that we're not going against a wall of like all types of things that are keeping black and brown folks down. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is if you can, if you have the resources, if you have a moment, go get it. Go get Miss Vaccine, girl. Go do your research, do your readings, do whatever you need to do. Ask the questions. But now's the time to take it serious because, girl, the last year for me, it's been a mess. Like, I ain't gonna lie, the beginning of the pandemic, I was nervous. I was like, girl, I ain't gonna do nothing. Like, y'all know I'm not a big club person. I don't really like the clubs. But I do want to go to the club. I want to be able to go to the club when I feel like it. And I don't want to be nervous. And that was the purpose of like, okay, the vaccine will make me feel more comfortable doing little things. Because I ain't gonna lie, some of us want to go out. I don't know why we all pretend like we locked up, like some folks are, but some of us are like, girl, I want to go shake. And ain't nothing wrong with that. Go shake, because I want you to enjoy yourself. But you don't enjoy yourself, girl, I want you to enjoy yourself, and you get back and you coughing, and folks looking like, girl, what's the tea, honey? There ain't no allergies. So I want you to go and do the work, do what you need to do to go get vaccinated. Because, girl, one thing about it, we want to make it seem as though people who are not vaccinated are not affecting us, but they are. The more that this virus keeps replicating in humans and stuff, the more resistant it becomes to even the vaccine. And And even that, girl, all the people who getting, contracting COVID and have to go to the hospital, which is more likely, a hell of a lot of times is people who are not vaccinated are going to the hospital when they contract COVID because they have worse symptoms. They are clogging the already trash healthcare system up, that if, let's say, something happens to me, girl, I'm around here, doing something, I done hurt myself and I need to go, I can't get in. Let's say that your grandmother has a heart attack and she needs to get to the emergency room and she can't. Let's say something like that happens. Like, we all have to be in this for each other, especially black and brown folks, because we all we got. We already know that the system does not care about us. So we need to look out for each other. We need to protect our elders. We need to be protecting our children who cannot get vaccinated. So we need to take this stuff very, very serious. And I'm encouraging you to do the research, do the readings. Don't just say I want to do some more research. I want to do some what's name. Do it. Actually look it up and comment below. There's a lot of folks who've been vaccinated. There's a lot of people who watch me who, whatever. Comment below and say, like, girl, I got questions and stuff. This stuff is out here. We got to do the work, y'all. So I want to thank National Black Cultural Information Trust for starting this conversation with their campaign. The Inform, Unite, Heal campaign is a cultural storytelling initiative used to inform communities about the devastating effect of COVID-19 pandemic on black communities, period. It encourages personal storytelling, taking action through spreading awareness and supporting family, friends, and local communities. Through our collective efforts to inform, take action, we hope to protect black communities from the current harms and to support efforts to heal and grow. And that's all, period. That's all we want. We want to protect our communities. So you need to do the work so we can continue to support and protect our communities. Comment below, tell me what you think, and I'll talk to y'all later on tonight. Bye.